Hello everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore, and today I'm sharing another Easter treat holder. It's so cute. Again, I'm using the Welcome Easter, which I love this stamp set. It's just so perfect for Easter, and also it's really a cute one for like a baby treat. So you can actually use this as a baby favor also, and just take off the Easter blessings and use the hello baby or welcome baby. There's so many things you can do for this, and it's all made using some of our dies that we have, but I will give you the measurements for the dies, so if you don't have them you can actually still make this one. Alright, so let's get started. For this, the dies that I'm using are going to be the stitch shapes, and I'm using the second largest circle here. We're also using the stitched rectangles, and I'll tell you the measurement of that in a minute. And those are the the other die that we're using for this is the Bonanza dies that go with this Bonanza Buddy, and I'm using the little tag that goes with this, and I have that, and I'll also give you the measurements of that one too. And if you don't have this stamp set, this bundle, you really need this one. It is so cute, and if you haven't seen the videos I've done using this, you can check it out on my YouTube channel or on my blog at stampingwithamora.com. So today, the stamp sets that we're going to use is the Welcome Easter, and it's this one. I'm going to use the Little Lamb this time, and I'm also using the Gorgeous Grape. And the other one is Melon Mambo that I used for that. So then we're going to use the Itty Bitty Greetings for the Easter blessings on this one. And this one's really cute if you wanted to make it into a baby one. This also has Sweet Baby here that you can use for this. It's really, really cute. There's so many sentiments on this one. It's one of my favorite. I pick it up all the time to use it. All right, so let's first go ahead and stamp our little lamb. And we're gonna stamp him with Memento Black because I'm using blends on this to color him. And there's not a whole lot of coloring on him because he has the white fur, but we are going to use the gray granite, the light gray granite, to outline his fur. All right, so I'm using, to color this, I'm going to use the light and dark Highland Heather, and then this is the light gray granite, and then I'm going to just color the cheeks with the light Flirty Flamingo. So I'm just going to use some dark here on his little bow, and then I'm going to just use some light to fill that in. Just gives it a little bit of shading. It's so cute though. So with the light gray granite, I'm just going to go around his fur here. I'm going to color his little ears. Alright, so that's what we're going to do on him. Now I'm just going to color inside of his ears with the light Flirty Flamingo. I'm going to do his nose. And we're going to do his little feet here. And then I'm going to give him some cheeks. So we're going to use a little bit more of the Flirty Flamingo here. I'm going to give him some little rosy cheeks. And I'm also going to use my color lifter just to lift a little bit of that color off of it so it's not quite so deep. But he's so cute. And then that's it for his coloring. So look at how cute he is. Alright, so we're going to bring the big shot up now and cut all our pieces out for this. So I am using my magnetic platform. And we're going to go ahead and just cut him out first. Alright, so there he is all ready to go. And then we're going to go ahead and use our gorgeous grape and our little tag. And let's see if we can do both of these at the same time. I should have tried to run that other one through, but I think we can do both of these. And if you put them at a little angle, a few people have given me that tip, and it's really, really helped to get these go through easier. And they cut it, it seems to cut it better. It comes out really nice and clean. And sometimes I don't remember to do it. So see this one, how it has a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and run this one back through really quick. And now I have a really nice clean one right there. Alright, so first thing we're going to do with this is we are going to make our box. I'm going to score this one right here. And I'll give you the measurements in just a second after we score this one. So we're going to score this. And it's scored at 1/2 and at 1. And that's it. Oh, let's go ahead and score our other pieces here too. We need to score these small pieces. These are for the side of the box. So these two pieces are 1.5 by 2.5, and we are going to score them at 1/2 and at 1. So we'll have 3 individual 1/2 inch pieces, or 1/2 inch scores there. We're going to do the same with this one, 1/2 and 1, and then that's it for our scoring. All right. First thing we're going to do is we are going to sharpen this. Make sure your stitching is going the right way. And we are going to sharpen these as well. And these are the sides of our boxes, our box. And so what we're going to do here, I'm going to use some wet glue. And we're going to put wet glue on one of these. And you're going to put it right to the edge here, and it is above those 2 score marks. I'm going to do the same here, and it should be right to the top edge of the die here, and go right to your edge there on the end here. This has got to be flush, and then we're going to fold these over, and we're going to add glue here and here. And we're going to bring this piece up. And you need to hold that for a second, because that's going to, and make sure these are right to your ends here. And then we're going to put glue right there. And we are going to attach it to our little tag here. So that's going to go right to the front of your tag. And you want to use your bone folder for this part and get inside there and make sure your things, your little places where you add the glue are all glued down. So it's going to look like that. That's your little treat holder. This will hold 2 Ghirardellis, by the way. And let me get that to the edge there. Make sure these are to the edge. That's why I love using the wet glue, because you can scoot this over if you didn't get it right to the edge at first. Alright, so there we have it. That's our basic box right there. Alright, so now I'm going to mat this. And this is our 6x6 from the Brights collection. And you've seen me use it a ton. I love the gingham in here. So this is the Designer Series paper pack, just like that. That's what this one's from. And we're going to go ahead and get our little sheep out there. And I'm going to actually pop him up with some dimensionals. And then we're going to do our little tag. So this goes right on the front there. And you can just, if it's a baby shower or something, you can pretty much, you know, just leave it like that without any sentiment or anything. It'd be really cute, and the colors that the mom is using for the baby shower. But we're going to do it a step ahead here, and we're going to just use our Easter blessings, and we're going to use our embossing buddy here to take down the static. We're going to use some Versamark. And this is really small. We're going to do our Easter blessings. We're going to use our white emboss. And I'm just going to dip it in there since it's so small. And I'll get my heat tool. Okay, so we have that embossed, and it's really small. It doesn't take very long to emboss that. So I'm just going to cut this really small. I'm going to cut right between the two of them right there, so I can divide that. And then we're just ready to add it to our box. So I'm going to again use some wet glue. I'm going to put the Easter up here. And we'll do the blessings down here. Let's see, I don't want to cover his face, so let's do it this way. And then we're going to use some of my favorite ribbon, which has been sold out, but it will be back in stock, and it's the Whisper White. What do you call this again? Crinkled seam binding ribbon. I don't know how I could forget that. I mean, I've used this so much, I'm almost out. I do want to order some more because I love it so much. It ties really cute. Alright, so there you have it. Here's the other one. Aren't they adorable though? They're so, so cute. And it fit, like I said, it'll fit 2 Ghirardellis. Alright everyone, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. There's my March hostess code. If you'd like to shop, you can shop at stampingwithamore.com. I hope you all have a blessed one, and I'll see you in the next one. See you later everyone. Bye.